So today for bait, we're using some crystal flash jig heads, tipped with a bull minnow. There we go. Oh, another nice one. Another post-spawn female. They spawned yesterday and the day before, I think. This one didn't drop her eggs yet, so I'm gonna just snap a picture of her and throw her back. Beautiful fish. Let her go. Feels like a good one. Nice yellow perch. Hooked this one in the eye, so it's probably getting kept. There we go. Oh, I missed that. Oh no, I got him. There he goes. He just woke up. So I'm here, the spawn, pretty much right in the middle of the spawn. The females are laying their eggs. The males aren't up yet. I've caught 6 fish now. I kept 5. One of the fish I caught didn't drop her eggs yet, so I let her go. So, and I'm the only person here. One man further down the creek fishing, but that's insane for the middle of the spawn. Okay, again, so I'm just hooking minnows through the lips on a jig head. Just a couple inches off the bottom. You want to be, I think you want to be as close to the bottom as possible without actually being on the bottom. Damn. As soon as it hit the water. Ooh. A nice fish. This one has a bite mark on his back like a heron or a... Oh, got one on this rod here. Yep. think this one's my first short. I think there's already a fish on this one. Yep. Literally just threw that one out. Oh, that's a keeper. That's a good one there. No need to even measure that one. There we go. That one didn't take long. Another nice keeper. There we go. Getting a hit already. Yep. Oh, got off. Got my minnow tail. Damn. Yeah, there's definitely a score right there because I'm already getting little hits. I'm gonna let him take it for a second. I think he's on there. Oh, nice one. Keep that one. Nice one. I put a big minnow on here this time. See if that makes a difference. Oh, big one. That's the biggest one today. Ooh. Damn, that's a big one. Put a big minnow, that big minnow worked. That's a nice one. Measure him. I think he's a foot long almost. He's at least 11. He's 11 and a half. I ended up keeping 9 perch, probably like 9 or 10, so I'd say I caught 20 in the hour and a half that I fished at that spot. They're all caught on minnows on a jig head that I tied with some crystal flash. The biggest was 11 and a half and the smallest was about 8. Most of them are keeper size. One of them still had eggs in it. The rest were like post-spawn females. They already dropped their eggs. I went fishing in that same exact spot on Saturday with some friends. We didn't get a single fish. And today's Tuesday morning, and they mostly dropped their eggs. 95% of them dropped their eggs. So that just goes to show how fast it happens. You got to keep your eye on the weather and pay attention to what's going on with the fish. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and definitely leave a comment. Love reading them. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.